have a sister in outside Italy. That any guy here to fix a time. You can have buried the what's cake. That here buried here to fix the time you can have buried the girl. We all left. I think after a week, then Italian day. There's one of the younger brother, the last one of their father. Only now they camp work there. Then the half sister, Nore Jenny, on a girl of that Henry. Now, well, take note of what I'm saying right now. On a girl of Henry, on a girl of that Henry. Then anyway, here was
Sister, what's his name?
I don't know. I don't know. The only one of them now here not lucky or.
There are so many names that
on your
are there.
No, no, they can't water, but he's now in Germany.
One in Indian and
no, the one in Indian is Beauty.
I know that one.
No, Rote is lucky or something, but our train already Germany or now. No, it actually that for no. So any night, Arisina, or we muade. Ayana is to take care of you. Are present to are every year ça c'est et pas bibi arriva et pas soja vi arriva ni then avec Mr Tony na vi arriva ni et Yore vi arriva et Dix et Dennis vi arriva ni the same Osakura Natana ya vi arriva ni. So just like a normal gathering now, the community was actually not playing a full part because they said they were going to take responsibility of everything according to Harrison. Now, which Harrison was here right now? Then we now sat down and we started talking. Meanwhile, again, not turn or internet here, Beauty. Now, in Harrison, we're not going here. Harrison said one word, but the only thing we can here participate in where is even if there's going to be any benefit. Even if there's going to be any benefit, that the benefit should go to the only child. The only child may get now in Nigeria. You might understand. I said that way because of them not turning. I don't say they may not show interest in your way. Okay. Any assistance will really go if we die. If I don't know, my so I mean this half brother the half sister husband here now. The same statement RC repeated. Those people went bluntly. Wait for what? They are going to collect the money here. They will know how to take care of the child. Man, I wonder where. Why do you activate no? No, a woman there who kaka. But whatever anyway, tomorrow 9 o'clock, let us meet so that my police station will present the family so that we can go and handle another issue. At this time now, the issue of a girl no more don't worry Nigeria narrate of the gata. And our process okay, the pies are aware. So and our preparing no matter where I me do ya lele Osako abi yore this matter na me do ya hewe obi edo pari na to the gata no ya iva ya ha wa no total later ya prepare ya wa. Then to cut the story short, the next morning 9 o'clock, in a large will women because this half brother to the husband to the half sister now, they will tell the road women along to me. Then I was deployed Josh and we are open. I don't we're large and here we are that they are no longer going with us to the police station or to the hospital. That they are going to town. Anyway, what here is the here. But we know that they don't need to consult anybody. This is what the family have decided. Beneti omodio in meme no be the RC. You know the chomo, you know we nobody want we are another way. I'm not sure. You know we yes so well. You tell the lady story you know. But we are not the the president at this time made himself available where he's going to follow us there. So the story now the year no do if he will hear. RC himself became confused. This time, this girl in India, RC with this girl, they were still talking fine. RC time, where your Canadian for where ma, you RC Yami lawyer, now when I'm allowed, you ain't family now. Ni Malao, ni Malay, Yami lawyer now. Because you're Italian, you have it home. So that the man oh my the man so said me we followed RC there. RC was the person.
How many of you?
Men or more John. RC Osakwe, a girlfriend Osakwe. No. Monday was not there. Monday was not there. No, Monday didn't play any role. Monday did not play any role.
You want to clear him now? Listen,
No. So we went there. RC only power of Anthony. Because a bay and the affiliate police station a lawyer and ya wall here and obey police. Where the uncle of the same father, the same mother to the mother
should be responsible.
So RC was the person who gave the power of Anthony to the lawyer. RC was the person who gave his documents. Permission de sojourno, carte d'état, photocopy, to the lawyer. RC was the person who gave all the information about the family of the girl to the person. I'm not from Akiadolo. I'm from Uredu. You might understand. So that was how we left that day. So they are not going to tell me now where they are going to take another. But your uncle has already taken another way. Their lawyer in Abuja where you can take as many as 10 lawyers. And I you people when they argue where this family you are not unite. So immediately RC took his phone, called EA Beauty in Nigeria to tell her where the situation of things. I quote, that woman started begging RC. No law, may give you na where this matter. That especially our tear locking on a rote, we can't put on a parade journey. All day by Virani care who you were the very now. Now law, now this in law, no happy. Maybe I'm never be Ravi. That when you guana, you are moving in school. That 8,000 naira for school fees a man near pay. I eat one for the money instantly. Also, then I had the 50 euro. Now you pay against school girl. Then, all you know, you deliver you work. If I name the night, I'm a president tonight. You know, the Miami 5 euro in my yard. I don't know if I'm the Miami 5 euro in my yard. Or more, John, now while you go, you can only have the battery. Honor you know, soldier 50 euro, so then we have 5 euro. Very much, 105 euro in my money, soldier. Am I in no more, John? You might understand. Then, already 2 days. Yes, now, sir. Both soldiers time I will know you. Me also get you they do. So, if I manage, but already 2 days or more, John team where Harrison where a girl and Indiana come here when you real boy here. It be matter. What is here? When you buy when you collected the money. You know where? No, you already told your sister, your small cousin, in a present where you are putting your hand in this matter because of the child. Why is she not having a double mind? I see where if you run your book or your corner. Now my brother, you really interested here in matter now. Osakwena came to my house. I want to call a beauty me. Or is a Guebuan? I want to come and me. I want to move me. You have to Guebuan. We look. This your uncle have a good intention towards your family. The man have a survey anyway. Over not you know Canada. Who were not Indiana or by age mate. That of Diana Wuna. It be a tradition. Or Dion participate in the Bobokan. But he's just doing it because of Obio Hankerin not say in Nigeria. Eddie get out time where look. Even when we're Tana are the people who want to siphon anything that might come out from that team. But even when Otamu went away a zebra crossing and Motona jam again, they didn't go to the scene. When Magwana, Yama just retire near the cops. They only just said they are going, they will come back 2 weeks' time for the burial. And now, okay. This guy died 5th of January. The whole of January, now before Yamagire. February, now the worry on the 20-something of February. Let me not go wrong. Omo Jolo wa team on work back. We tie President Monday. We re isimu na ne. We police ezia ro wi. Ezia ro wa we. the document in any control me akpa. Oh no, they came in reference of that girl. No, now we know what hold on. I took Yore car key. I took Yore key. Now I drive the one more job. You know the way I'm not easy advice. You know the way I'm not easy advice. Walking, yeah, we might pardon the cops. Italy, Nigeria, you can't come and act here in Africa. We must need to come and take charge of the cops. The government in Ayamufuwa, they are going to put the muta on our name. I know the mobile phone, I know the TRC. RC we are here. Yeah, we are just worrying in Metana. RC Maro worrying we say shorting. My former address me here I checking me. Me give money. Oh, your mom, don't get the current. RC we a tamil. More than where you born here. In Matanari. Let's get him again now. Away, me no more. Yeah, even okay, I win here. I wish RC was. That was why I reserved all those parts. And I tell me, the police were a family and a married, the police were matter. The family and married, family, the lawyer knew. That was how the man brought another fight to show us the lawyer many years that was different from now recently. The lawyer near we had a Scooty. I still remember that name, Scooty something. Are they lucky now? Are they lucky? You're that fan. No, Teddy. We are not aware of this. They only told us they are coming in 2 weeks' time for the burial. And now what are we saying? A match in Wafu. The cops in early January. It doesn't function like that. We need to go and dispose the cops. Now around 72 hours. And the way like the Manichelo Linia, you know, more Joe Thomas to sign. 124 hours, they have to dispose of the cops. Obagi man when Sakwe day because Sakwe day. And in the end, Sakwe Nigane with the issue. I'm going to tell me, give us another 2 weeks. This 72 hours is too small for us to arrange ourselves. Give us another 2 weeks to organize ourselves. They now brought that paper. Can you have 72 hours in Guinea? You have to cancel it. You have to wait 14 days in your. You know when they were supposed to give us a copy. You remember understand? Though if Omo just still have it to, I remember when he snapped it with his phone that day. That was how the police now left. Then Omo John this time. All I do here now me Uruima Iraje. Because my game now some more John you were more time more the way you know so no more John more the tear more John the matter. So we started putting heat on the radio me. They now said 2 weeks time from that day. 2 weeks they were saying, "Oh, don't like pray." Everybody was aware when my father died on the 11th of March last year. I'm an only child. You know, I prepare the burial. And I went, even if I go, I was not really having any prayer. I just want my name to leave that scenery. And I put a Kyozono Sakwena. Ije get on Nigeria. Now in your Sakwe, again, I'm again afwa, again, I'm again afwa. Then a beauty now in Indiana after where the lawyer should sit down with us. No, the man not bought in should sit down with us. Let us talk face to face. There 20,000-30,000 euro. No one paying sister. You know where? This is not Nigeria. And we go now tell the process from the story. Then we want to possible. You need to give your brother time to do it. This was one of the things. No, yet they have brothers in here convincing you have to believe. We have under 3 weeks. You have pay. You know, okay, that was how we rested. Then now they put a pressure. Do you know that 2 weeks in that when lapse? Me and Amake Jenny. We now have to drive. After the Army president, what the document of it, how to drive to Frosinone again to tell this police where in Anamareo, but please, they should add additional 2 weeks to it. Desmond. Tell me say so we now beg them for another 2 weeks. At this time, Osakwe was already begging Now Lelien, you are buried the girl. Because I was aware of one girl very only last year, I know. Oh, hey, I'm telling you like this, none of us so now. Me, I move for the road to them, I can bury girl again. Then, man, I was going to do here. Here, I know that way, the mother moved your Kenya. Here, I work by the, here, like a fleece boss. On Saturday, on Friday of that 2 weeks in India, I promise again. That on Saturday of it, they will be here. Now, okay, there will be no problem. On Friday, Osakuna call here. Then I will, yes, they are still coming the next day. On Friday, Saturday, sorry, on Thursday, and on Friday the morning, Osakuna, because Osakuna was like living practically in our house. Osakuna to call the man, the day Friday too, or when yes, Akutana, 7 something, boss in Yaji. Around 6, Osakwe ko wa day when he take call it this o ma mi phone ni o ma mi phone ni o so ma na mi phone where the number be me na do ye e wo support because wo support ya go me na do ye no be ye no be me e no do ye me ame no be 30 ni me he call e 30 na do me na we are bros na me o Austin when you come meet for room okay bros I beg you want to work yeah so but we na ya call you know work abi bus station. I will no work. They don't give me off again for office. We didn't have any choice because the 2 weeks already elapsed. The 3rd week, Mahinda. This is now April, the 3rd week of April. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
Then Osakuna gathered people. They went and they buried. Yeah, the corpse was already in the package store. I don't know if you are. Yamu a mortuary, Yamu fi a deposito. Thank you, sir. Yamu fi deposito. That day, he kwame na aro. Yari bege yari, the man had to force the way up. When he deposited a corpse in Ayawana, they must carry it. We am a aro, he a few top, but on that day they need to. I left April. In the real August. August 25th after my birthday, I went to Slovenia. In that case, Slovenia had Estonia. In order to return back to Italy, October ending, 2018. See now, then we didn't even talk about the issue. Say background issue. Because this president now, man, I don't know about any. I was always aware of it. Uwe period you know omodo ya mo me ni ade Nigeria ije ba kolo mo ojo ya do mi eye ya amunyo mo ojo iye na do tene gbe ere ma won omo ojo gbo ikini na won do ri lati ake ati ko mo ojo that they gave that woman 8 or 9,000 naira near to me sana mama ya say that 50 euro ni ona gbe yi so yeah you combat every a community those secretary or don't negoni. No, that's your life. Then that one Igbera. Okay, February 19th to be precise. This year. The President Modena team, I walk back, calling him from Torino. We interested, yeah. A case again. You know, 14th. You know, who is the woman? Away one Madam Gladys. You know, okay. When man talk about the true story of it, tell the woman to call me. If she like, let her come down or send somebody. I don't have the lawyer's number, but I can describe where the lawyer is. Not to boy continue, but she should be aware where that family Melania is here. The only thing you tell me where. Somebody uncle me after one and handle the material. No. So long as she told you where she's going to fight for that child, then let her go ahead and continue. I'm not interested. Then to be precise, on 18th of February. No sir, I'm coming sir. 18th of February. Beauty India. Okay, March. Sorry. Okay, 18th of March. Sorry. That beauty from India called me. Or you were calling me, pardon, me have an Indian number and I don't have anybody in India. After the said introduction, now okay, we are here, woman. Away, Palau, they are helping you. We bear, you know, we know where. The only person that is in charge to help you is that your uncle Werovieni. That one has a positive mind towards your family. Go and meet your uncle, apologize to him, beg him, then let him carry on making another swing. Because I'm very sure where he did not tell the lawyer to stop. I don't know how far they've gone. You go and settle with your brother. Or when you call him, but he call him the next day. Or maybe Mila, did I help him? Epa, he had a percentage in me. Listen very carefully. Am I not able? You are home. Or we had a percentage. Now, this is not about percentage. Nobody knows the situation of having a family or two where I want to wear a half brother when they handle. Or when you are selling half brother, you are willing. That when you go any blocking in the WhatsApp, to the Facebook. Like, do I help you? Your mama, you have paying a percentage. Or definitely before 1 hour, I got my job in there, talk collect a percentage. Now, this is not about percentage. Your uncle is in full charge to do this work. Go and beg him. Your uncle, when I accept him, then we can always stand with him to monitor how he's going. That was how we now spoke. We know where uncle were going. Meanwhile, what are 30% in me? Oh, there is one woman in Torino. No, because you're in Oremana, area pressure in mind, not introducing him. That only time here where you are going to fight a case now, you're going to really large now, she's going to take 20% of it. But up pay your father's home here. Quote me, you know, well, that is for the woman. But she should protect the interest of that child in because your mother is really suffering. Then we stop there. I think after some few days, a friend of mine in UK, when I send a video, he watched it. The video was not too clear because he was saying elders and community leaders in Rome. I'm gonna make mention of any name. He go there another one African German first lady or so. So and I called my friend Jamila, like well, you know, a woman now. Or when you are here work with Facebook. Yeah, I really saw the number. I chatted the woman. Oh, now that story you are saying is a completely wrong story. I know from the day one to date. If you don't mind, let me call you. Anytime I read the story, as you know. And okay, you call me the next day 5 o'clock. Yeah, okay. The next day 5 o'clock, we'll get up here. He was here, she was on that call. On a moon, I need to see when I wear. Mom chat you know there. Hold on. Make I hear your own side. You know, no, madam. Before I will start talking, please record whatever that I'm going to tell you for future reference. You know, look at that team up. You go on up by the back, but will say. Or when no, she does not like recording her client. Now, no, I am not your client. Even matter of money, I report in my way. But I want to tell you where whoever that is giving you that information is on the wrong side. Please record. We record. No, madam. If you will not record it, then no need for this conversation. Because I'm not used to this social media, whatever. So that was how we. She now said I should hold on. Maybe at the process, no, yeah, I'm recording the yanni. I want to tell this woman now, madam, Nore Torino. She now called down to be listening. And then when he had tell this story, they say, not to analyze them already. Or we say that part in me, you know where a beauty in India time a percentage in me, the woman fled up. With 30% waiting, 20 were madam, please, Magui, you are doing a very good job. But you need to at least investigate some certain issues before you take some decisions. You know, there's only my working out. You have the beauty number. Please call her. Put her on this line. Let her tell me. So she called the beauty really. Immediately the beauty picked. Mama, call mommy, both her. You make a German first lady the woman did not wait again. The guy I tell you, I want to collect any percentage, like the voice. So she was like angry. She was talking with anger. I know what I shouted at me. Immediately Beauty now don't understand when she was on conference call. And I told me, madam, I beg, calm down. There's no need, let me talk to the Beauty. This woman in the calling now, Jama first lady now. Now you cool her down. Where madam, mama, wait, make brother talk to that girl. And that Beauty, I don't know whether your husband they do G, they do 419, say they collect percentage. I don't know whether this woman get orphanage home for Nigeria. If she not tell me about percentage, waiting I get when I want get inside when I come to tell her waiting you tell me. And besides, I never know say this woman deadline. But na story, how the story take go, that's why I take explain now. The woman might when me down her, she burst into flame. And I went okay, no hold on, madam. Okay, for the phone. But this time she was already saying she's going to call the phone. She want to call the phone now. Okay, for the phone, please investigate the both sides before okay I give them wrong information. No leaders in Roma community has taken 1 naira from any insurance company.
Or making an attempt.
Please, this case is still very fresh. If you are interested, go and follow up. Nigeria. That was how we ended the call. They may work a 40 minute work. Collected 100,000. Me, not still over here. If I have sat with the insurance company, I have a pension, I can't pay you. No, I can't pay you. If I have sat with the insurance company to negotiate anything, if I have started as a beneficiary, apart from Nina Lelarisi, ya negotiate with the insurance, mais non still over here. Et quel donne avec la Samadi Yahoo? Everything she has accused me of, in my opinion, yes, sir.
The people are hearing too.
Yes, sir. Okay. If I'm in anything of whatever Gladys Amadi is accusing me, if I'm not anything already, women of Bermuda, and I'm about 18 years. In our pie, way. Owa amani Gladys, Ode amani Gladys, Egbo amani Gladys. Ima pa ma eva bugwe. Imwen Gladys, no be amadi yobeni ka. I don't know anymore.
You are great. We have heard you like when you buy a me. There are 2 important people not taking over one. Me and the boy didn't walk me and the other boy.
Usakwe etiemu